Hi everyone and welcome back. Rog here, and today I'm going to assemble for you a really tasty snack. A tortilla wrap filled with two types of cheese, one red Leicester and one very strong cheddar, some crispy bacon, because you can't beat crispy bacon, and some thinly sliced red onion, all put together just for you. So firstly, let me show you the ingredients I'm going to use. We're going to have some thinly sliced red onion. We're going to have some of these mini tortilla wraps, some unsmoked streaky bacon. We can use mature cheddar cheese, or we can use red Leicester cheese, which might be a bit more colourful. So let's get cooking. We can start by cooking our bacon down and getting it a bit crispy. And we can get one of these mini sized wraps. Mini, looks quite big to me. On with some of this red Leicester cheese. So let's not be stingy. Let's have some cheddar as well. Put it on there. There we go. Bit of cheddar. Then the bacon. Still a bit hot, that is. Slightly sliced red onion. Get that over the top. Bacon's trying to escape. There you go. A bit more. That'll do. Some more red Leicester. Piece more cheddar. I can fold that over as best we can, really. There we go. It's looking good already. Now, I don't know if you guys have got one of these little gadgets, but if you haven't, you should try one. They're pretty good around the kitchen. This lean and mean fat burning grilling machine. Lift up the lid like that. Carefully put our wrap under. Put the lid down and leave it until that light goes out. Well, the light's gone out, so I can lift the lid and see what we've got. Wow, that looks great, doesn't it? Try and get it out now. Scrummy, dripping everywhere. That's looking good to me. Let's cut this little critter in half, if I can. Now, doesn't that look good? But that's it, lunchtime again. Really succulent. You can taste the onion. It needed the onion, and it needed the two cheeses. This is a great lunchtime snack, or an evening meal snack, or a breakfast snack. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. And I'll see you again next time in the Gourmet Grandad's kitchen. Bye.